Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about how to make money with X-Ads Revenue Program. X-Ads Revenue Program is a new program that allows creators to earn money from ads that are displayed on their posts. It's a great way for creators to monetize their content and start generating revenue from their social media presence. Eligibility requirements. To be eligible for X-Ads Revenue Program, you must meet the following criteria. Be subscribed to X Premium or verified organizations, have at least 5 million organic impressions on your cumulative posts within the last 3 months, have at least 500 followers. If you meet all of these requirements, you can apply to join X-Ads Revenue Program by going to the monetization section of the app and clicking on Join and Set Up Payouts. You will then be redirected to Stripe to set up an account to receive your payments. How to make money with X-Ads Revenue Program. Once you've been accepted into X-Ads Revenue Program, you can start earning money from ads that are displayed on your posts. Ads are targeted to your audience based on their interests, so you can be sure that your followers will be seeing ads that are relevant to them. You will earn a share of the revenue generated from ads that are displayed on your posts. The exact amount you earn will vary depending on a number of factors, such as the engagement rate of your posts and the type of ads that are displayed. Tips for making more money with X-Ads Revenue Program. Here are a few tips for making more money with X-Ads Revenue Program. 1. Create high-quality content that is engaging and informative. The more people who interact with your posts, the more likely they are to see ads. 2. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. 3. Post regularly and consistently. The more often you post, the more opportunities you have to display ads to your followers. 4. Promote your X account on other social media platforms. This will help you to attract new followers and increase your reach. Conclusion. X-Ads Revenue Program is a great way for creators to monetize their content and start generating revenue from their social media presence. If you meet the eligibility requirements, I encourage you to apply to join the program. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips that may help you to make more money with X-Ads Revenue Program. 1. Experiment with different types of content. Some types of content, such as videos and images, tend to perform better than others in terms of ad revenue. 2. Analyze your performance. X provides a number of tools and resources to help you to track your performance and identify areas where you can improve. 3. Collaborate with other creators. Cross-promotion can be a great way to reach a new audience and increase your ad revenue. 4. Be patient. It takes time to build a following and start generating significant revenue from ads. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about X-Ads Revenue Program, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about social media marketing, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.